Welcome. This is one in a series of how-to videos for IMD2. In this video, we will cover how to extract a full table using the IMD2 Batch feature. First, browse to your installation folder. Then, double-click the IMD2 application. From the main page, we'll use this menu to select Batch. Once in the Batch feature, you'll see there are many options available. This drop-down contains the primary keys. In this example, we'll choose NIN. This information box tells us we can use an input file to search specific items, or we can give this a job name to pull the full tables. In this example, we would like to pull full tables, so we will give it a job name. Below that, you will see tables with NIN as the primary key. Click on the table name to view included data fields. In this example, we'll choose only freight and packaging. Scroll down, deselect all, and select only the freight and packaging tables. Once the tables are selected, click the Output folder button and browse to the desired output location. Click Run to start the pull. At the top of the screen, the information bar has changed to a progress bar. This will indicate that the job is processing, what file it's processing, how many tables have been processed, and how long the job is taking. Batch jobs will vary in time to completion as each table can vary greatly in size. Because of this, we will pause the video and pick up at job completion. And we're back. As you can see, the job finished successfully and in 20 minutes 35 seconds. Click here to open the output folder. In the output folder, you will see files named to include the job name you gave, along with the table names you selected. Each of these files can be opened in Notepad, Excel, Access, or imported into another database. Inside each file, you will see the full data set with the data fields at the top in comma-separated format. That was how to extract a full table using the IMD2 Batch feature. Check out our other videos on how to use IMD2. Thanks for watching.